Profit and loss practice set question number 2. Well, as and when we'll grow with the questions and then we'll practice more and more questions, we will come across questions which are having more than one concept in the question, and that's where the thrill is. Those type of questions are very common in the exam. So let's see this question. You can pause this video and try attempting by yourself. Write the answer in the comment box and also tell me what do you feel the level of difficulty for this question. Okay, so the question is a dealer buy dry fruits at rupees 100, 80 and 60 per kg. He mixed them in ratio 3, 4, 5 and then sold with a profit of 50%. At what price per kg does he sell the dry fruit? That means the mixture he is selling at what price? Now here we are also combining the concept of solution, like mixing the solution, which we have discussed where? Here. Yes. This is where we have discussed. Yeah, mixtures and solutions. So you can go through that. If you have not gone through, what you should do is you should complete the concept builders video first before coming to practice set. And there is no compulsion or rule as such, but that will benefit you. You will understand the shortcuts which I am using sometimes. Okay, so what do I do here is, because it's in ratio 3, 4, 5 in terms of weight, so I will assume them as it is instead of assuming X. Okay, let's say I'm using the short trick. Okay, because if I assume X, that will have no use. I don't want to complicate the solution. So let's say it's 3 kg for this, 4 kg for this, 5 kg for this. So total how many kgs we have? 3 plus 4, 7 plus 5, 12. So total will be 12 kg. Correct? This is in terms of weight. In terms of price, how much he paid, like how much it has costed him when he is buying this. So 300 for the first type, 320 for the second type, 300 for the third type. If you add all three of them, what you get is 960. Sorry, what you get is 920 rupees for 12 kg. That's the cost. Right? Now, question is, he is selling at 50% profit. So what is 50% profit over this? Increase the value by 50%. Profit means what? Increase. Yes, profit means increase. Profit means increase. So if you increase, you remember, if profit percent is given, then what is the formula do we use? Selling price equal to cost price into 100% plus profit percent. In practice set, I should not write all these formulas. I expect that you know the formulas before that, because you must have gone through the concept builder videos. Okay, so profit is 50%. So if I increase it by 50%, yeah, it become 150%, and then you will get 960 and 4, 13, so 1380. This is what you receive. This is what you get as selling price. Now this is the selling price of how much of total weight? Of course 12 kg. This we have already discussed, right? So question is, what is the selling price per kg? That's the question. Price per kg does he sell? So selling price per kg. So selling price 1380 divided by total of 12 kg. So selling price per kg will be equal to this. If you divide 12 ones are 12, you get 1 here, 12 ones are 12 again, 6 here, and then 12 fives are 60. So 115 rupees per kg. That's the selling price. Do we have this in the option? Unfortunately not. So answer will be option number D. None of this. Right? Level of difficulty? Not 1 year. 1 should be straightforward. I mean, I would say this is moderate. Level of difficulty is moderate. So moderate means what? 2. So we got 1 for easy, 2 for moderate, and 3 for the hard level. Okay, so I will mark this 2, moderate. Okay, Let's see the next question.